Hello everyone, so I'm just inside Dollar Tree and I love these 3 mugs. It seems like the snowman is the most popular. Which one's your favorite out of the 3? I'm going to share with you some of the dishware that's here. My favorite is the side plate in the snowflake print. I wish that this one here just didn't have the middle print. It feels like it's a little bit choppy with the cutout around the edge, so I really like the side plates. And then they have the plaid ones. The bowls have sentiments. The side plates also have sentiments, and I wish that they were like these. Beautiful. They do have some serving platters here and the matching placemats. Just want to share with you some of the other side plates. They have the holly. I think this is the new print this year. And then they have the large holly new print. Cookies for Santa plates. There is one with a little red truck as well. I don't think it's in this pile. And then they have matching mugs. It's a little bit of a tight squeeze in here, but I want to share with you that they have crackers as well. I think I missed these, but just in case you needed them. So they also have some boxes if you're putting together little gifts, gift cards, and they have these. There's different sizes, of course. You'll see here there's a large, medium, and small, and then the tins. By the way, tablecloths, has anyone seen the white one with the snowflake print? Because I have not seen that one, but I feel like it's out there somewhere. I am all about the cards and deconstructing them if they have the little 3D pieces, embellishments. I take them apart and use them for my paper crafts. Oh, somebody was asking me if I'd seen baking cups and molds. So I only see the baking cups. I don't see any molds here, any Christmas molds. Has anyone found any type of Christmas molds this year? Did we get any new signs this year for Christmas? I feel like they're all a repeat from last year. You would have thought Dollar Tree would have been right on that because Halloween they had a whole bunch of new ones. I wanted to share with you, look at all of the little trees. They were just replenished because there's glitter and sparkles all over the floor. How cute is this card? See, I would take the 3 embellishments and use them for anything, even the little gingerbread man. The gnome is not 3D. Oh, like this, if it had a whole bunch of pieces, I'd definitely buy it. But sometimes it's not worth it if it only has 1 or 2 smaller scale things. So this time of year, Dollar Tree has these really cute cookie boxes, but you can use them for gift giving as well. Like the larger ones, you can put something else in them. They don't have to just be for cookies. I mean, if you're gifting clothing or makeup, you can get creative. These are cute. I'm actually surprised that these are still on the shelf, on the peg, I should say, because there's 2 per pack, and they're really nice. The mugs are selling really fast, though. Lots of serving platters or plates and bins, little bins if you're making gift boxes or bags, I guess. You can use them as a base. Oh, they have gift boxes as well. I wasn't sure if they were going to have them this year. I hadn't seen them. No white tablecloths here either. The snowflake print. We have lots of Crayola goodies here. Oh my goodness. This is a fantastic value. And these too. Oh wow. I saw these at Dollarama for $3.50 a box. These are tin. So cute. Charlie Brown peanuts. Stackable clear containers or like the faux acrylic. I love the mini stockings. They fit gift cards perfectly, and there's 2 per pack, and I customize them. It's the little Santa. This one here is my favorite. I did a cute customization of these, and I've shared that with you guys. And you can do white vinyl or glitter vinyl. It doesn't have to be. I used red, and then I was like, and maybe I shouldn't have. These are great too because there's 3 in a pack. Soap bars, bath bombs. If you're a DIYer, these will come in handy. And lots of stockings. These will sell fast in the coming days though. Super cute. And then they have them monogrammed. Yep. They're already selling pretty fast. Picks are pretty much cleared out. Sometimes they have a spinning wheel out front near the entrance, or the exit I should say. Let's see if we have anything interesting in the... I think we've seen all of the ornaments. Nothing really new this year, right? Like I feel like most of this stuff was all pretty much a rerun of last year. These are actually newer trees this year, and they're cute. I almost missed these, and I really like them. I think they're very well done. The prints on them, they're solid color on the back, and then a nice covered lid. You can put a gift card in them, jewelry, you know, small things. What else would you put in them? Or what have you put in them? Maybe it helps us with ideas on... Because there's 3 boxes per kit. Oh, these are fantastic as well as for decals and little embellishments because you can cut things out. Like I'm looking at this one here thinking I should probably grab it just because it goes with my gingerbread theme. I bought another set at a different Dollar Tree, and it had a cute gingerbread and a little apron, but I don't see any here. Oh, by the way, this is a lot larger than the other 2 we typically see. So they have, I guess, 3 right now. Pom-poms are cute too. They have lots of wood still if you want to DIY, paint these, stain them, use them as ornaments, attach them to garland. So many things. Oh, the fabric sold very fast. Christmas fabric is pretty much all gone. Okay, so this pack, a few days ago I went through another Dollar Tree and I spotted these and I had no idea what the heck they were. But now you guys have made me aware there's an actual other piece of the body in the package. But it's a mystery back end. Are they starting to get their spring line already in? Because these are new to me. And look, they have this too with the bumblebee print. I have never seen this before. Bumblebees and butterflies. Any cute bags here. Has anyone spotted the happy birthday ribbon in actual ribbon, not, you know, like not this stuff, not the curling ribbon? I wanted to see if there was any Christmas, but there are really pretty galaxy, almost like a watercolor. Very pretty. And look, they have like a linen effect material as well. So nice. This is new to me. I don't know what it is. Boring paint. Matte. This is the matte Mod Podge. Sometimes they have glossy as well in case you're looking. I like to use matte actually. Oh, my daughter wanted a rainbow to paint in pastel colors, and I told her that I'd seen something at Dollar Tree because we almost bought it at Dollarama. They are in behind here, so I'm going to have to grab one. The wood would be nice too if she wanted to be artsy. So this is the one. I'm going to grab it for her. I might even wrap it for Christmas. What are these? Oh, they're just straws. Somebody must have left them here. They're reusable straws. Has anyone done any sublimation, or what is that stuff called? The transfer sheets onto it instead of like an iron-on vinyl, more of like a sublimation. Lots of wood here too. I guess I was looking for the little drawers to share with you if you wanted to make an advent calendar, but I don't see any of them. Oh wow, these are new. Are they really transparent? Because if they are, that would come in handy for paper crafting. I'm so happy that these stickers are here because they're just beautiful and I hope you find them. They're perfect for the back of a letter. These are rub-on transfers. Has anyone done anything with these? It's been a while since I've really taken a good look at stickers, but they have some newer ones to me. I feel like I have, to be honest, enough stickers to last me a lifetime. Oh, by the way, how big are these little fabric pieces? Are they worth purchasing? Are they just a strip, like a big long strip folded up? These sold fast. This is definitely new, vellum paper, and it's clear, and then they're just putting a white sheet in behind so you can see the print, but it is like a plastic. Maybe not so thin like maybe typical vellum. I don't know, I wasn't feeling it. And there's iron-on sheets, lots of different colors. Does this work well? Has anyone tried it? I'm going to leave you with just a little simple DIY. I used some permanent vinyl. You can use heat transfer vinyl, of course, or even sublimation vinyl, I think. And I should have done this in a glitter, maybe like a gold glitter or even white. The red just didn't turn out the way I was expecting. You can still see it in real life. It looks cute, but it's not showing up so well on screen. And then I just pulled back some of the Cricut transfer tape. I hope this inspires you to customize some of the Dollar Tree goodies. And until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. And bye for now.
Autumn comes too soon. The light that flickers will blow away the sight, and all that blossomed will wither away and die. Not now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon.